Boiler error codes, like EH258, can be crucial for your safety. Let's understand and fix the EH258 error code on your Worcester Bosch boiler. The EH258 error code indicates a problem with the heat control module, or HCM, responsible for regulating temperature and efficient boiler operation. The first step to fixing the EH258 error is to ensure that the installed heat control module matches your Worcester Bosch boiler's specifications. The second step is to have a gas-safe service team engineer inspect your boiler's control box for any loose connections, which may be triggering the EH258 error code. If unsure, seek professional help from a service team qualified heating engineer. Check the description to book one of our breakdown engineers. To ensure that your boiler runs at optimal efficiency, it is important that you maintain your boiler with regular services. Be sure to book an annual boiler service by clicking one of the links to book a gas-safe service team engineer below. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.